Let's look at electrician salary in Kazakhstan. On average, an electrician in Kazakhstan earns around 11,100 US dollars a year. That is the average electrician pay before tax, but tax takes a share and leaves about $8,900 for your take-home pay, which brings home roughly $742 every month. While workers in smaller towns get less, someone in Almaty makes $10,500 after tax, but higher costs there usually eat up that extra electrician income. New workers start well below this level, though their electrician wages go up quickly during the first few years before leveling off. Having a degree helps you move past that plateau, which is why educated staff often step into a master electrician role or become a site supervisor. On top of that, taking on specialized technical work adds up to even better pay overall.